People, hello. People, hello. Okay. Let's talk about Okay. Let's talk about So thank you for everyone there. So now, um, I'm talking first Bisaya. That Filipino Bisaya can be understand also Tagalog. Kaninang umaga, yung alam ko naman sino ang nagre-record. I know that someone recording in me, it's not other person. Okay? In what way? I've never been scared. And by the way, my live stream in the morning, I generally saying that you think that I am talking about in a one person. No, I generally saying because what the happened in Cebu, in Davao, in also in here like earthquake, tragedy, a lot more. So we need to keeping prayer. You know, guys, what a kind of a criminal lying the alien, no? He's a criminal, he's a lying, he using me by his own content. He making up a story and then he telling that me arrested. No, show me the proof. Yeah, if there is no proof the alien show, well, that to prove that he is. Kaninang umaga, yung sinabi ko, wala akong kahulugan ng isang tao, dalawang tao, o sino man dyan. Nasa sa inyo niya, useless lang magsisimba, mag-ano-ano pa dyan. Tapos, kagaya ngayon, yung tragedy sa Cebu, Davao, dito, lahat ng tao, panay na naalala ng Panginoon. O, di ba? Ngayon, so don't believe the alien, guys. We all know that he had a mental problem. He did not accept that about obsessed. So he addicted to me. Yeah. So for now, we are busy here in the house also. Some things that and they keeping making up a story. They said, oh, Mary Ann get mad. Oh, Mary Ann get this one. Oh, Mary Ann that one. Oh, what a sad life they are. Nakakaloka talaga tao, no? I'm not telling his friend. I'm telling everybody to let to know that this kind of happen in this world, especially in the Philippines. We need to pray and reborn yourself to be a good person, accept by God. No, I'm not a preacher. You have nothing to do with your own life. You'll always be making up a story, no? You are very mental. Mentalism. Also busy also in my third channel that no one knows. Only me, charot. Only me and then a couple people who notice, but I don't want to say so. Busy gid ko. Busy gid siya. Da isa pa, di po nako ipariha ang unsay akong gi-upload diri, lahi ang akong nga dili gid ma sundan sa mga naong og panway. Damingon dayon na nasuko, damingon dayon na kanang tawag ana picture daw. Uy, namang gani uban diha nga magpapiling balaan. Excuse me, Elian. I'm not the other person there. I'm not a preacher, no? And I'm not a religious. I'm not the other people there that pretending to become religious. No names, but don't be assuming. Okay? I'm not mad, I'm not scared, whatever it takes. Never been scared, sweet skate as Princess Anne. You're making up a story, a mental ill you have. A criminal, loser you are. Hello. I'm just telling everybody that the happen in the Philippines, like in Cebu, and also here also in Butuan or different places in the part of the Philippines. First typhoons, second is earthquake. So we need to renew ourselves to put God in our life. So which part that I picture? Huh? I'm not like you're pretending to become holy. Other people, they're pretending to become religious. Even in reality, they are demons. They are the son of demons. They are the children of the demons. Like you are the son of a demon. So don't be like making up a story. You say that me arrested? Who? Maybe you. If you come in Philippines, I will be arrested you. I know you're scared to come in the Philippines and you have no money to come in the Philippines. Like you, only sitting down there in a keyboard warm body who donate with you. If I were you, you go to the church making begging there. Not in aftering only one person who feed with you. I don't want to answering you, but you're too much. You're very too much. I know it's not only you who record on me. There is some other friend of yours who record on me and give it to you. Well, so what's a big problem for that? You make your life miserable. Let the people, let it be, let it be. Oh, let it be, oh, let it be. Let the people thinking you're mentally. You cannot accept the truth that you are obsessed and addicted to me. There'll be an answer, let it be. Let it be, let it be. Oh, let it be, oh, let it be. The alien mere, very mental, let it be. It's so funny. Agoy, ginoo ko. Basta, walay nakahibalo. Nga, akong life dire, naka-travel ko nga wako'y gisulti dire. Bago lang ko naabot. Taral niya gigadlaw. Unya nakahibaw mo. Di na ko i-post diri asa ko. Nindot gining ka ng wala ta dili ta magsulti-sulti dirig unsa no. Nindot pud ning musulti ta human na nahitabo. Pre anang niingon ko nga kayang human ako nag-travel oh, di ba? So, uy, nakahibalo. Aha. Kay sa musulti ta, daghan na dayon mga issue. O, di ba? Ulahin na mo. Nga human ako nag-travel ako pila ka adlaw. Basta. Pero dili niyo masayran kay naaman perminti ako mang gina-update ang akong kuan, ang akong YT. So, di gyapon ninyo masayran. Pero wala ko nag-live pipila ka days. So anyo na natinga mag-wonder mo ano mo siya nag-live pipila day. Busy ko nag-travel uy. Busy gid. Busy. At least nindot ang akong kuan ba nga. Salamat ko sa akong mga friends. I have a lot still friends. Only alien dreaming that thinking assuming pag yun
sana all hindi busy. Galingan mo pa. Focus mo sa akin. Panimira na lang. Oo. Tuloy-tuloy, dire-diretso. Diyan ka masaya. Enjoyin mo. Uy ate, makareact ha? Huwag ka masyadong piling. Correct. Time sa mga katulad mo eh. Sige, bigyan mo 1,000. Paparinggang kita, papatamaan kita. Wala pakwenta ikaw eh. Bakit ko na mapapatamaan? Para sa iba yun. Nagkataon lang na pareho kayo ng attitude at ugali. Now you know. Ala, may kaibigan ka pa. Sa plastic mong yan. Sa bagay. Sino nga naman ang magiging kaibigan mo? Yung mga katulad mong plastic din, syempre. Sorry. Visit ka. Puro ka panonood sa akin. Hindi ka visit eh. Nood ng nood tapos sisiraan ako sa comment section. Wow! Galing mo din. Ano yan? Gawain mo na talaga? Pag-inggit, pikit na lang. Doon ka sa iba. Bakit wala yung binapanood mo? Sa bagay. Views din to. Sige, nood lang. Mag-comment lang. Comment ang comment. Tapos siraan ako. Dali. Bilisan mo. Bakit hindi ka mag-detective? Kabisado mo yung buhay ko eh. Kinikwento mo lahat. Puro labis, walang kulang.
So I need to say goodbye everyone and have a nice day. So I repeat guys, never Princess Anne scared or whatever. And I'm not pinpoint my finger into one, no. I generally saying, and there's nothing, that kind of the groups of alien, they are like mentally psychotic, paranoid, everything. So they had no God in their life, and I'm not a preacher, you know that. I'm not a preacher because I'm not like other people that pretending to become holy, even though they are the son of a demon, right? So those haters of mine that making up a story, it's not a big deal that you believe with those things, right? Because secret. Bye everyone. Bye recorder person. I know who you are. It's not only one.